Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Grace Beso, 32 years old, from Philippines. I am single mother. I have 3 children, aged 7, 9, and 11 years old, 2 boys and 1 girl. I have 6 brothers, and I am the seventh among the 7 siblings, and I am the youngest and only girl to the family. I worked in Saudi Arabia last 2019 until 2021. I serve to the 7 family member age 90 years old, 46, 32, 28, 26, and 7 and 1-year-old children. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, iron, wash the clothes, wash the car, taking good care of 2 bedridden person, and also taking care of 2 children. Mom, sir, I am loyal, trustworthy, and honest. And I can work under my pressure. Mom, sir, please choose me because I will promise to treat your family like my own, and I will follow your rules and regulation. I hope to see you soon. God bless.